What's up guys, welcome, PJ here. Today I'm going to show unboxing of Apple. What? No, not this Apple. I mean Steve Jobs' Apple iPhone SE. Okay, before I unbox, we need to sanitize. Meanwhile, I'll show you guys what kind of iPhone I bought and why I chose it. They have 3 colors available. I chose red. If you purchase any red phone in Apple, it will donate a portion of amount to support COVID-19 relief. They have 3 storage options available, 64, 128 and 256 gigs. Finally, done sanitizing. Let's get started. As you see here, the box is usually normal white colored box with the red color fonts on it and the red Apple logo, and I have chosen 64 gigs. How many of you will get excited to open the new phones? Comment and let me know. I'm so excited to open it. To be frank, I am literally waiting it from morning and can't wait to peel it off. Yay! Let's open it. This sounds so amazing. Shake the box. Inside the box, it comes with a SIM tool, user manual, warranty card and the Apple stickers. Unboxing of iPhone is not done without the Apple stickers. Wow! The phone looks amazing. It has the peel of plastic on both sides. Nothing special. The box has all normal lightning earphones and lightning cable and 5-watt charging brick. Let's peel off the plastic. It looks more pretty. For me, the color looks like more as Ferrari red and it has a beautiful contrast with black front. Press and hold the device power button until you see the Apple logo. You will then see hello messages in many languages. Follow the steps to get started. If you have another device that's running iOS 11 or later, you can use it automatically to set up your new device with Quick Start. Bring the two devices close together and then follow the instructions. If you don't have another device with iOS 11 or later, tap Setup manually to continue. You can set up Touch ID, you can use the fingerprint to unlock your device, and also with this you can make purchases. If you have an iCloud or iTunes backup or Android device, you can restore or transfer your data from your old device to your new device. If you don't have a backup or another device, select Don't Transfer Apps and Data. One more thing which I liked more about this phone is the Fingerprint Reader. Finally, it's back. I know, many of you have missed it a lot. Even me. It's packed with stunning 4.7-inch Retina display with True Tone display and haptic touch. It has the A13 Bionic chip, which is the fastest chip ever in a smartphone with fastest CPU ever. It mostly looks like they have placed the brains of iPhone 11 Pro in the body of iPhone SE. The iPhone SE battery life is up to 13 hours of video on single charge. The height of the phone is 5.45 inches, width is 2.65 inches, depth is 0.29 inches, and the weight is 5.22 ounces. It survives splashes, sprinkles, sprays, and spills. I wanted to do a small experiment. You can see a bowl of water. Apple, I trust you. And I am dropping my brand new iPhone into water. Let's see and wait what happens after 30 minutes.
A few moments later.
It's been 30 minutes. Let's take the phone out, wipe it up in all the possible ways we can, from the top, bottom, and turn it over, flip it over and swipe it up and just tap it. Now let's start with fingerprint. Wow, it works, and let's see how it works. It works perfectly. Apple, you did a good job. One more thing. Are you guys ready? Okay, let's get started. I have a cup of cappuccino and let's do what it does. I'm pouring it on my brand new iPhone. Let's see what it does. I have perfectly cleaned and wiped it off, and now let's see how it's going to work, and I'm so excited to see. I have opened it by using the fingerprint. It worked so perfectly, everything is perfectly alright. I guess this test is also passed. Good job Apple, I appreciate you. It has the 12 megapixel wide camera with 1.8 aperture and digital zoom up to 5 times. 4K recording video at 24, 30 and 60 frames per second. In the coming pictures, you can see the comparison of the photos taken from iPhone SE and iPhone 11 Pro Max. And it also supports slow motion video at 120 frames per second and 240 frames per second. If you would like to see more comparison videos with iPhone SE, please do let me know in the comment section below. Hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Pocket Tech and hit the bell icon to get the notifications.